Hey, what's going on YouTube? Your boy back at it again with another banker. As you can see, I'm outside working on the project again. So the project I'm working on today is the 2020 Jetta. So as you know, I was working on door speakers, and the PRVs was just a little bit too big for them to fit in the mounting bracket. So the magnet was too big, and it was just hitting against the frame. So the original, when I was trying to use the original bracket, the speaker's too big and it's hitting on the door panel, so the door panel don't fully go back on. So I made some rings, and then I mounted it onto the door panel. I mounted it to the frame, to the door, and then the wood piece to the speaker. The magnet's still too big. So take a look what I'm talking about. So I made these little wood frames, and as you can see, the magnet still hits the back of the door. Or I want to say that's the window actuator. That's what it's hitting on. So yeah, so it's time to fix that. So stay tuned for the updates on this. Yeah, it should be fun. So the speakers I went with for the front doors and the rear doors, so it's the 1751S that's going in the rear doors, and the S65 Charlies are going in the front doors. So I got these same ones in my Tahoe. That's why I went with them. I also ordered the speaker rings. I made some, but out of MDF, but they ain't come out as good. And then these are plastic, so it shouldn't have any issues if there's water getting in the door panels or anything like that. So this is the setup I'm going with. Hopefully this should be an easy process just to install them and not try to use the factory mounting bracket, because last week actually seen it didn't work. Hopefully it should take me about an hour max to complete this process. We shall see. So stay tuned for the finished product. So we are here in the Jetta, so we're about to get this project started, this fixing project started. So this part should be easy. All I gotta do is mount this door speaker, put in a new one. Hopefully I don't have the same issues as with that one, because it's like it's about the same size. Hopefully, let's just say hopefully. So get this unmounted, get this ring off, put the new rings on, get it wired up, and we're gonna test it out, see how it sounds. All right, I'm gonna cut you back on once I finish with that. So just a quick comparison of the speaker rings that I made versus the ones I ordered. The MDF ones, as you can see, the little kind that's in there is already started cracking. So if I went with these plastic ones, much better, should last longer, and it should hold up a lot longer, and it just look all around better. So it give you mounting holes to mount the speaker onto, and give you mounting holes to mount it to the door itself. So let's get these installed and see how it's turning out. So this is how the speaker ring looks mounted to the door. I see it give it a really good professional look versus the MDF. So I got it mounted. All I gotta do now is wire up. Got them super strong ass magnets, and mount the speaker and wire it up. So stay tuned for that. More updates coming to this build.
Say yo, push it, push it, push it. I wanna say yo, move it, move it, move it. I wanna say yo, wind it, wind it, wind it. I wanna say yo, move up your body, girl, grind up your body.
When I step up in the club, I'm so hot, tossing dollars at these bars like pretty women that be here like spitting game in their ear like la 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 la. Baby blue, I don't play no games. Head to my feet, so fresh, so clean. Riding out the bar like it ain't no thing. Hot boy like Wayne, diamonds in my chain, bling bling bling. I can marry diamond clusters, blinding busters. Got the natural Lamborghini, same color mustard. Buying jeans for these chicks, saying that they emoji. And if you whine, I'm the same OG.
The way you look good, it really turn me on.
All right, YouTube, there it is. They in there, they playing. Sounds great. The door mount back on. So hey, another done deal. Just got to do the other sides, and I'm done. Appreciate you, YouTube.